안녕하세요. Chaydamin Di Shanda Di Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today I am unboxing something that is new. We all like new things, and it is this here is what I'm going to unbox. This is from Glamour Doll Eyes. I'll take everything out for you. I'll leave all the information down below about Glamour Doll Eyes. I thought I would try it out because I've seen some unboxings here on YouTube, and I said, okay, it's eyeshadow, it's loose eyeshadow, let's try it out, because I think that loose eyeshadows don't get enough play. A lot of people like palettes, and that's understandable. I have to admit, I don't have a lot of palettes in my collection. I'm trying to grow it. You would think I would do with all the makeup that I love, but I don't have a lot of palettes. I have a lot of potted eyeshadows like from MAC, and I have a lot of loose pigments from MAC, so why not get more loose eyeshadows? And these eyeshadows, they look really nice. Anyway, it's Glamour Doll Eyes. Here's the card right here. Looks like that. And this is Vanessa. She is the owner of Glamour Doll Eyes. That is her. I actually got two cards here. Yep, two cards. There's the other one with all their information on there. Now, how to subscribe to Glamour Doll Eyes, it's kind of tricky. You go to the website, you subscribe, you sign up because there is a wait list, and you have to join the Facebook group, okay? And then when you're in the Facebook group, what will happen is Vanessa will send you a message, and she will also send you an email to let you know that the wait list is open, and you have, like, I think 12 hours or 24 hours to sign up, and if you don't, you got to do it all over again. So just to let you know how long the wait list was, I signed up, I want to say it was the first week of April. So it was around, I don't know, let's say April the 2nd, maybe Monday, April the 2nd, or Tuesday, April the 3rd. And by Saturday, whatever date was for Saturday, I was off the wait list. So it was quite quickly for me for the Shadow Club, and they call it the of the month club. So you get these eyeshadows every month. It's about $11 total, and that's including shipping. For me, it was, at least. And there's also a blush club that is every other month, like on the odd months. And there's also a glitter club, which is every even month. And I think the blush club is $9, but you get it every other month. I can't remember how much the glitter club is, and I'm on the wait list for both of those, so we'll see what happens, all right? So by the way, this is what the card looks like. I like the card. It's like old school, like the 80s. Reminds me of In Living Color, or what's that show? Saved by the Bell. That's what the font looks like, doesn't it? Saved by the Bell. Those of you that are old enough to remember that. So it tells you the products that we have. That's one of them there. And on the other side, here's the other. I love this card. It's giving me 80s Saved by the Bell and Living Color vibes. Love it. Alright, so let's go in here and look and see what we have. They come in this little baggie, all the products, by the way. And let's see how I do here. I've got 3 of them. I will be referring back to the card as I am going through each of the items. So the first item is called Preppy. You can see that. Looks like that there. It says Preppy on it. And it's a little stick. It is a, what are you, Preppy? You are a mini cream eyeshadow. And this is a sky blue with an orange to gold shift. Now, you guys know I don't do swatches, so I apologize, but I will take this out and show you what it looks like. That is what it looks like. It's a pretty blue color, though. See that? And I love blue eyeshadow. I'm not afraid of color. You guys know that. Color is our friend. Yes, it is. So that's really cool. Comes off as a cream, it looks like. So I'm excited about that. The next thing I have, and by the way, this is what the little container looks like. Gorgeous. I believe there's always a theme each month. And this is the other side. It is not, this particular color is called Jessie. And it's ironic. Jesse is my father's name, and he spells it just like that. Jessie. It's kind of not focusing right. But this particular shadow is not lip safe, and it is not vegan, for those of you that are wondering. And, ooh boy, let's open her up. All right, so it's purple. Ooh, it's really pretty. And it's finally, but now I cannot show this because I'm afraid I will drop it. Ooh boy, can you see that? A little bit, maybe. I don't want to spill it, but it's purple. And it's described as a, let me look here. Jessie is a mid-tone purple with a blurple shift, finished off with golden pink sparkles. That's the description of this color. So this is nice. And I believe this is a mini size. This container here, I believe it's a mini size. On the website, glamourdollies.com, you can buy mini sizes like this and full sizes. I think the full sizes may be $6 or something like that. I can't recall. You have to go to the website and look. Information will be down below about Glamour Doll Eyes. And then last but not least, what I have is Bayside, which is the mini blush. And this is a neon reddish pink with a copper and green shift. And this is what the blush looks like. And it is a loose blush that looks like that there. This would be perfect for spring. Oh yeah, she's purple. She's not purple, she's pink actually. I don't know my colors. All right, I'm getting it all over the place here, but okay, let's get it back in there. All right, this is what, can you guys see that? Maybe, maybe not. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Y'all know I don't do swatches because this is, let me put this back on here because it is spilling all over the place and we don't want a mess. But y'all know I don't do swatches. But y'all can't see that swatch. You wouldn't be able to see this anyway. But that's it on my finger. If you can see that. I tried to swatch it on my skin, but you can't see anything. My hands are so veiny. Oh my goodness. Ugh. So veiny. But yeah, that is everything. Get this top back on here. Woo. That is a mess. That is everything in my very first Glamour Doll Eyes box or baggie here for April 2018. Let me know what you think about this, guys. Again, all the information will be down below. This is nice. I believe that I'm gonna like the eyeshadow. I'm gonna like the blush. It's loose. I gotta be careful with this because it's all over the place. You know what I'm saying? It's like all over me right now. So, anywho, as you know, I'm gonna try this out for 3 months and see if I like it or not. If I do like it, I'm gonna continue with it. When I get off the blush club and off of the glitter waitlist, I will unbox those as well. And again, Glamour Doll Eyes. There's the card and all the info in case you want to know. Let's go ahead and recap what we got. I got Preppery, which is the little eyeshadow stick there, which is really cool. I also got Bayside, which is the blush in pink. Love the theme of this. Just gorgeous. And then I got the color Jessie, which I love. That's my dad's name, Jessie. And it's purple. I miss my daddy. And anyway, yep, that's everything. Now, guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do that. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. I will let you know what that giveaway will be when I reach that threshold. Thank you so much. Those of you that have been leaving comments for me on my other videos, thank you so much for doing that. I'm going to respond to all of you. If I haven't done it already, I will respond to all of you. I love when you guys make comments because it shows interaction. It shows that people are watching me and you like my content and you like this type of thing. So, thumbs up to you. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a fantastic day. Bye.
넌 나고